primary mobilization is activating diaphragm. Yeah? So if we teach people how to breathe, but not only breath work like they have a classes, but actually activating this muscle and releasing pressure. Often you have pressure on one side of the diaphragm, yes, accumulated under the rib cage with drive. Yes, if you do pressure points, then you will see how much pressure and stress maybe is accumulated there. Yes, and in the same time, because of that, even if we go and try to do a breathing exercise, it doesn't work. We cannot achieve the same progress. Yeah, so that will have a key progress to, in the same time, open up our T-spine, so thoracic region, and unlock our chest and shoulders, yeah, to the good position. So how we can do this? Yes, I have position. Yes, I stand up in the position. So like I put 3 foam rollers. I have my own technique. I have 3 foam rollers like designed that one is smaller, one is bigger. I will set up in here, so then I need you to lay down. Yes, one is big, one is wait here. Yes. Okay, and then I need you to lay down here, wait a second. So here will be only for the lower back, the red one. This one is for the spine, this one is for the neck. Okay. Yes, and we want to go all the way up. Higher, all the way, even higher, more. Okay, a little bit. Okay, that's good. Is it comfortable? Maybe a little bit higher. Now I need you to be a little bit higher. A little bit, okay. And now, shoulders gonna go up here, other one as well. Good. Now, yes, now I need you to, yes, fully relax, and then the shoulders gonna go up, you inhaling, deep breathe in, yes, then you depress your scapula and then push it down, yes. So, in the same time, I'm gonna press in here on the diaphragm, yes, so located in here under the rib cage, and I need you to breathe through it, yes, so you're gonna, yes, when you're breathing, you're putting pressure here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, then depress your scapula and down, yes, but this one no stress. So when you exhale, everything loose, yes. So when I press here on the diaphragm, yes, and we go. Here you expand the rib cage, hold it, and exhale. We go down, relaxing, yes. Okay. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold it. And then we go down here, yes? So I can tell a lot of pressure here, yes? When I already touch in here, under the rib cage, you feel also pressure point. You cannot breathe correctly, yeah? And then we go down, yes? And again, deep breathing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold it, and exhale down, yes? And again, going, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes? And exhale down, yes? Deep breathing here, yes? We can press with the 2 fingers here, yes, under, and then you're releasing the pressure points. Then exhale, we go down, yes, and strong. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, deep press, and push it down. Good. Yes, and you will see after a while, yes, you will relax. Yes, yes. Yes, I feel already is better movement here, yes, and more breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, down. Now when you extend your shoulders, I need you to depress your scapula. So when you extend fully, depress your scapula, press against the foam roller, and then push your shoulders all the way down, yes? And then we go down, yes? And all the way down, and then inhale all the way up. Inhale, good. What we can do in here, also, yes, if we are not sure about this pressing, because this is more medical, yes, technique, we can place in here a small weight like dumbbell, yes? Kettlebell. Yeah, if you place in here the ball, kettlebell, yes, and then we tell the client to breathe, it also is working that you have some pressure and then you breathe through it, that pressure, yeah? But also, if you place the weight, you're gonna see that if the weight is, with the breathing, inhaling, is going up or is not going down, yes? So, if the weight would be here, if she is lifting the weight, yes, you can also place the whole hand, yes, now she is going, again, go. You see my hand a little bit is rising. I see she is breathing from the diaphragm now. Yes, so she's using the muscle, yeah, primarily for, yes, this function here. Yes, and better diaphragm engagement. Yes, more pressure she can release. You see, you can place the kettlebell is gonna be the best in here. Yes, if you place kettlebell, it's gonna stay, and the client is breathing. Yeah, the kettlebell goes up. Inhale. Yes, you can also tell later, after 2 minutes, that when you go all the way up, just stay there, yes, a little bit. Okay. So inhale 7 seconds, hold the breath, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now depress your scapula and exhale, yes. Well, it's gonna be better breathing work, yes, more effective for us. Yeah? So we want to really improve it. Yes, you're gonna hold it, hold it, hold it, depress your scapula, and then we go down and exhale. Exactly. And you're watching in here if this one is rising with the every inhale. Okay, depression. Yeah, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, down. Yes, why this depression? Because we can activate and restore the scapular function. Yes, by pressing on the foam roller, everything what is all the points which are accumulated between the scapula, we can restore. Yes, we can open up the space and activate this pulling. Yes, often you see people doing this cable pull and they just pull. Yeah, without even thinking what the scapula is doing. Yes, or is not stable. Yes, so we wanna this retract, rotate. Yes. Depress the scapula, then you have a full stability there, and then you pull, and then you have full engagement, and you feel what is really happening on the back, yes? And then you're gaining better definition, strength, and it's much healthier for the joint. Of course, you're not gonna be able to go heavy like that, and first activate, yes? But at least as a warm-up at the beginning activation, this is a key, yes? To activate, to feel what is happening, smaller weight, and it's proved by science that if you actually work on the smaller weight, yes, but slower with the full contraction, you gain the same results, yes, plus additionally you're gaining, yes, healthy joints, yes, more stability in your scapula, and better rotation, yes, better mobility in the same time. Yes, and then depressing, pulling, 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 okay, perfect, yes. Okay, and now in here, yes, open your shoulders, okay, relax, yes. Okay, and then in the same time here, you have a space. I don't know if in the gym you are allowed to work with the hands on your client, yes, a little bit like a physio, but at least you can just hold it here. One shoulder is holding here, one is here, and you can just press it, yeah, like that. You can put a towel, for example, on towel, and you can, yes, hold it here, yes, and if you compress in here a little bit, you feel, yes, it's mobilizing more, yes, so it's you may feel the nice, like a thing, yes, you feel this like a numbness, yeah. So this is exactly like cooling down to the nerve system, yes? It's telling you how to calm down your body, how to release the stress. So this is...
Do you need to put the foam roller as well, or even though on the ground?
Yeah, much better on the foam roller. Why? Because see what kind of position she has, yes? Gaining to it. Yeah? If she's laying on the floor, she will be flat. So it's not helping much. Maybe better than doing nothing, but here, yes? She can tell 100% it feels different, yeah? It feels much more, yes? Even if you put someone on the boxes and then the shoulder can go lower, yes? And then you press. And then deep breathing, breathing, and you can just hold it like that, yes? From that position, you can hold it someone
like
doing,
for how long?
Yes? About 2-3 minutes, yeah? And moving here, yes? Also 1, 1. Okay, you can take it, yeah? No. And we're moving. Yeah?
Seriously,
yes.
today?
And
Right
here.
now, she needs that?
Yes. Yes, and then also other side, yeah, here. You can hold it a bit, yes, and the shoulder is worse, I can tell, yeah. So like if you feel the tension, you can just hold it here, yeah, compress a little bit. That can be a pain, I can feel it here. And that can restore the shoulder function, yeah, here. So releasing pressure from the scapula in front of the deltoid here, chest connection. Yes, it can gain and you can buy the better rotation at the same time. Yes, by holding here. See how much she goes now? I was not even stretching. Yeah, we are not stretching. Yes, we are doing just breath work. And by just relaxing the nerve system, see how much she gain extra rotation. And she's not laying even flat. Yeah, it's even higher, so she gain extra internal rotation, external rotation, just by this, yes, breathing work and, yes.
Inshallah, that fast.
Okay, so now we can slowly stand up. When we stand up, we can go. Yes, good is after this adjustment, is good to lay down a little bit on the floor normally. Yeah, relax a bit. Yes, good. Yeah. Yes. And then you can see, for example, the test what I was doing. I was pressing on the scapula. Yes, was here, and I was going smooth down. I'm pressing the same. Yeah? It was here, and was pain, no pain. Yeah. Yes. It's not 100% yet. because I was not even releasing the lats. I was not working, yes, with the doing myofascial release yet, yes. But already it's open up. Here was great, it was before, yes. There internal rotation, see, yes. Yeah, this is where she is now, yes. And here, yes, and here, that way, yes. It lays down, yeah. And here it's great. Okay, and then let's see this test what we are doing here, yes. What it brings, yeah. So we go here, hop, to that position, and the shoulder, yes, it's a little bit lower, still is scapula lifted, yes, but because I was not working on the hip, yes. Here, yes, here is less pain, yes. So here we release, yeah, the tension. Here we help, yeah, to open up, but still is a pressure point here. Still something is pulling us from the lumbar spine, yeah. So without working here, on this fascia here, on the tension, on the muscle here, yeah, we're not gonna be able to fully go down, yes. But it's when you spend a little bit time, you tell your client, hold it here, and just now, when you don't feel pain, just work a bit, yeah. Just lay on the floor, you breathe, you move with the shoulder, slowly, yes, your nerve system will come down and we relax the muscle because the tight nerve system, tough nerves are controlling the tension, holding, yeah, the tension, and doesn't allow you to stretch. You feel pain, you're gonna pull more, yes. The worst thing is to see when the coaches stretch, yes, clients, and they are aggressive with the stretching, especially after session. We don't do that, yes. Why we don't do it? Because your muscles were working, they become more tight, compressed, and this is like when you pull someone, yes, and wants to stretch, it will be like a, yes, opposite, yes, reaction. You're gonna contract, and then you press someone, and you're gonna cause only pain, and you may break the connection, you may hurt someone, yes. So the aggressive stretching, especially static stretching, is not recommended, yes, after training, yes, because the training is like a fight process, yeah. You don't want to do that, yes. You want to, yes, calm down, just maybe lay down, relax, breathe, and then you relax, go from this state, you're gonna go down, yes? And when you breathe, you see the shoulder likes it, yes, your body likes that, and it's slowly, you see the scapula is closer, it's now touching my hand, yes? So it's already, yes, better, and then, and then you can, you can buy this.
Classes are cancelled.
Yeah. Yes, and then you can buy this rotation by extra movement, yes? Going up and down, and in the same time, you can rotate your shoulder, yes? You wanna go here, yes, work a little bit on a rotation, yeah, for the joint, going that way, and going that way, yes, moving, yes. I like to add like a ball, for example, small ball here, yes, and then you moving with this. So you have small weight, and then you turning, yes. You're telling your client, go and move, yes, extra, yes. Working on this rotation helps to restore the motion, yes, and the joint function. Yeah, so also if we see that the client is moving, yes, often is moving only from the arm, yes, and I want the whole shoulder. So whole shoulder is gonna be scapula. So I wanna see what is happening here. If by this rotation we are only doing this, or we are turning the whole shoulder, yes, so whole scapula and whole motion you get here, yes, this. So this is more important, yeah, what is happening. Yeah, that way, and this is pain, yes, so you don't wanna, yeah, so you go only to, but it's not like very bad pain, yeah? Yes. You feel that is something, yes, there is something new, yeah, for the shoulder. Exactly, go, more here. Like yeah, that way, yes. So then, now you see she is, yes, by rotation, she is using the whole shoulder and scapula here, yes? And this has allowed us to go lower and lower to, yes, extra release everything what is on the back of the shoulder. And then you see this muscle tape is also loosen up a bit, yes? Going, all the way. Yeah, so like cooling down your nerve system, yes? You're releasing the tension, you're improving the length, and then your body automatically adjusts, yeah, the bone structure. So like I say at the beginning, chiropractic adjustment only address the bone structure without addressing, yes, the tension, yes? So like is chiropractic adjustment only, yes, address the bone structure without addressing the tension which you're holding in the body, yes? So that's why it's not for long term, it's not gonna stay. But if you address your tension in the body, your nerve system, and then you are able to automatically adjust, yeah? So then you would not need, maybe, most likely. And then the same thing on the other side, yeah? So like you do one side feels, yeah, a little bit tight, then you wanna go do it the other one, yes? I like this stretching also, you go. This is a good therapy for everybody to just start the day, to open up, yes? The spiral muscle tape in that position, yes? Oh, often you see people are locked in here, yes? Yes, everything is tight, directly running from the hip, lower back, and shoulder, yes? They are stiff, they are not able, yes? Some people I've seen, the shoulder is all the way up, like that. I don't know how they live, must be very painful, because then the whole neck, all is affected, yeah? Most of clients who are suffering with the neck pain, they are locked in that position. They're gonna be here, scapula is like that, yeah? Because all that, everything is pulling you, yeah? Bringing the shoulder in wrong position, and then for over time, is compressing you here. You feel symptom here, but actually problem is down, yes? Yes, same here, locked, yeah, chest. So the T-spine here, yes, we are locked here. Often, this is resulting as a neck pain, yes? So if we fix the position here, yes, then you will see you're not gonna have a neck tension, neck pain, yes? This is gonna be clearly more, yeah, fine. Okay, here we go, here, going. Let's go, rotating, yeah? 1, 1, 2, yes, all the way, 1, 2. This shoulder is much better, yeah, you can tell. So you will see that in here also shows imbalance, like which side is better, which is worse. Then you know that you need to work on the side which is, yes, less open. Good, okay.